Swing and a drive. That's belted deep left field. How far is that one going to go?
I think Aaron Terrace. Tyler was set up down and away. And that's a Stanton homer, too. Not really majestic, but hard. Line drive.
Eric Fetty. Yeah! The ball is just tattooed. Stanton hits it to the back of that tarp in left field, and this is a one-run game, and John Smoltz back into camp in better shape, a little leaner.
Fourth graders will be singing the national anthem. She's been practicing every day.
Oh my! Drives it deep. Oh wow! Oh! Slider was hung and hammered. Number 26 of the season. 2-0 Miami. Wow.
Getting that pitch over for a strike, but you leave it there, you're going to pay.
Yeah, it's got to be the right kind of strike. Stan hits his 26th home run to lead baseball.
Stanton drives one center field. Deep. I mean deep. And gone.
I think he just hit a tool. Oh, no, it's back on the field.
Giancarlo Stanton. That one went right out of the ballpark, down the tunnel, and bounced all the way through.
A home run derby here at Petco Park, and he hammers that one. Stanton will watch it fly way out of here. Oh, my goodness. Giancarlo Stanton with a mammoth home run, and the Yankees are right back in it. It's a one-run game. 3-run home run for Stanton. Yep, that's the sound of an absolute bomb by Giancarlo Stanton. Yeah. Only the biggest of the big boys.
Stanton, deep! Oh, goodness! A big flop!
Mama, there go that man again. But I mean, my goodness, he hit them all off the score. That ball ended up in North Miami Beach right there, man. That's a long way.
And the pitch line to deep left in the sky. It is far. It is gone. What a bullet. What a bullet. A high line drive over the auxiliary scoreboard, over the grandstand and into the bleachers. You can't hit the ball harder than that.
Indeed.
And the pitch is swung on and hit high in the air to left center. That ball is high. It is far. It is gone. Way back in the left center field seats. A Stantonian home run.
Stanton drives it left field, absolutely crushed, and out of Dodger Stadium. You don't see that every night. Fastball middle in, absolutely crushed.
High fly ball, deep left center. There it goes! See ya! A bomb by Stanton. A 3-run shot. It's 10-2 Yankees. Run and then scored a run his last time up. High drive. Wow. Left field. There it goes! See ya! A monster home run for Stanton. It just landed. It's 3-1 Yankees. The 2-1. High drive, left field. There it goes. See ya. A long home run for Stanton. He crushed it. 1-0 Yanks.